And finally, Kwame Sefa Kayi. Jelens Ajima nyina ya papa. Kwame Sefa Kayi. We return back to Peace FM. And na in this video we come oba no how we welcome no na e dey be ko ni si yanka yesake no. The video we come am what be from the starting to end year waba back to Peace FM. I you Penyah block media. Let's say any demo. Go like video no that mo subscribe button subscribe click notification icon for latest updates. Na be chere wa adwon dia ma me e wo comment section. Let's say oba so. No achieve no for so enya bi action. E di Kwame Sefa Kayi nim say na oni semi jamfi entem enwo anna start 2019 ana semi jamfi e ko piem e Kwame Sefa Kayi show so any koye interview that is the early 2019 on koye program na if I want na Kwame Sefa Kayi esi busa semi jamfi questions I say semi jamfi express no na say o challenge di bi anya semi jamfi there semi jamfi just say there that's a Kwame Sefa Kayi o ho no say obe defend MPP what I say obe defend MPP ade bi MPP for e bia no obe defend etimu ana semi jamfi ro no anya wo so ko bo na adwen obe bufro no ka say sebe ya ba Kwame Sefa Kayi o hypocrite say nya atwom ewura no wama party akata nanim ontimi kan kre asem a obese of force wani nyina tie say eyebi o kan sem e wa bonten e de esay Kwame Sefa Kayi bibu nanim wase ana say later on the 12th of April 2019 kona and the same jamfi ezako PM e wo Kwame Sefa Kayi issue studio na okoya na because of ensem one no wa kan fa Kwame Sefa Kayi ho pan ya ene na mo from amuti no Sefa Kayi any anyo to ka say ne on sorry nko o hia no kwa woni show ni so
you say pede wa
sa apumbo ko de
media me ho ye but wa mani ha
Ghana nkomo ya na de adua
sa mimi nyanka woni dem ha
oh David Jama menkasa
many person
menkasa
David minyaya anka you are not on the show
menkasa
David ampa asempa na meka cho intia hawa anka free so
ampa chairman kukufu ne
untimi nko jina bebe enko twantro fa me ho
oh David
enni matem
chairman nko we di aba ha
you think I'm joking
chairman we nye Peace FM
David now I say media agro David somebody if you mean nia grossa you impugn my integrity you call me names you put it on social media uko radio soka now communicators the menam you who say we are wrong you didn't have the courtesy so you go back and correct it and you get up and sit on my show what's my minka
chairman
say because me honestly I'm not happy you're here
chairman
because you cannot come onto the same platform didi matem and now they come me wasem anya no cre nka me nka ho he but to the menam and our communicators need biafa and ye di matem o frame me catch real you didn't bother to correct it and it's been going and I didn't and ye di matem ne kan ho asama me nya he and what better on the same platform that you accuse them you used to do what to perpetrate fraud and hypocrisy
hey chairman I think sir
ana go fu my ebony
no chairman
but enya ha no baba from chairman
chairman
go back to where he went
the words I will use to name
one can say
things that all come
one can hypocrisy
have never been my words
one can hypocrisy
you see chairman to say the medical canon we don't have to engage in this on this particular show
that's so why I'm surprised you're sitting here
we are offended you know I've already told you in a private conversation
but I told you that don't tell me in private
what's it
you should have gone back to where you said
you bet me this uncommon I don't think so
no but
we should use this program to settle scores and all that
unfortunately for you Sammy sorry unfortunately I'm not using my program to settle scores
okay
what could gumi hufi what can some of them when you no credit and our communicators the men namin ye di matem I drew your attention to it you did nothing about it the only other opportunity I mean me show since even I can be good for you to come here and sit on this show I am me and coming to me because I show so I'm surprised about Betraha you want to kind of like sweep it aside yes but obi ani ha wakodi matem wo baby na waka me ho asema enye no credit
atemdidie from
na maka cho say
chairman
na maka cho say enye no credit now went
I can see say you see chairman you are my senior brother
you called me and I told you say
if
and I told you say go back to where you said it and apologize for it.
No problem.
But why you also have a time to say I'm using my show to settle scores. If I'm sure settle scores.
Onya no show no so e me hu say sem nya fi kwa no e pa no so there and some can find what me sorry fa chem what I say you know kuma you see brother no fa chem but na sem nya fi mu there I said he felt humiliated because na some way of humiliation say in fact waba traditional team so pa camera the ne ye to so le call pamos ade always ade and pay it is some dem felt humiliated it later and NDC you might be saying the show no so soon because na some dem was the national communication officer for NDC and I said the NDC need be on copies FM so be it later it was alleged said as the NDC force squad need be say omuko comes the vacant show no so omunya so mbeko but if na empremo omo Emu ana 2020 no some dem make it tweet and not say for the records the NDC has never and will never beg to appear on Peace FM's Kokoko. The community bureau that I led does not intend to ever return to that show. The NDC brand is far greater than that overhyped platform. Our boycott still stands. Ignore these lies. And I say, it's an allegation about I say NDC will be omunya show so mbekwa no so dey by massa. Yes, so yes, NDC yes so this platform. Go show the so show no. It's NDC party munya so be say obi say obi we ko ba bi ya be ko de yanko mon forget yanko no. Am I even 2023 ne kra no. Come the can make post what you say. Love or hate him, you would admit Samuel Jemfi is quite a brilliant young man. Obetman don as obetman tan but Samuel Jemfi party where one of the brilliant young men is more my people that whole was almost any motive. That was the discussion I had here. And later, on the 19th of June 2024, comes back and ban insurance. All I can say, why you did not say on Besbeka say, well, no, and I say, well, no, Nansono. Obeka say, this year there was less in be say, and can I got the Adioyanka on yes, sir.
Hey, Kobe. I really don't. I won't say that I have a great regret. What I'll say is that I have many lessons to learn from. Me nka se ma ye we numi ho ama mpese mi kumi ho ana se je se ma ye nyoma bi enye ena ma ye nyoma bi so eye inti ba bia nko yi no me fa ne se enu hu wo yes ba me hu no mo se isuade. It's a lesson that you learn as you grow older. There are certain things I did in my 20s, my 30s, my teen years, and that I won't do. Not because I deeply regret them, but because I've learned my lessons. And also because when you say, do baby, yes, we are Bufraye and Bufraye. We are Penyah, we are Penyah for you. 30 years ago is not today. 80, you look back based on the experiences you have, based on the lessons you've learned, and then you try to live your life in a much more better way. And then when you have the chance, you share those experiences with much younger people and let them know, say, look, Charlie, bien die. Hello, we might be down. I'm fat. Look at things this way. So I don't call them deep regrets. I'll call them major lessons in life.
As when it comes to a kind, I would just say the Benya Sifa, what's all candy? Say Bubenia Tibetia. I say, Ububa Yatiasia. I say it has connection with NDC forms of my show this week. That time, 24 no be any say NDC net dominated. But 24 early 24 banner. No be any say NDC net dominated here. Say MPP for platform, you're not be useless. Mokasana and Kobe, yeah, but NDC shows today. Not a cop. You got no trouble, but it's not for a side with NDC. The conservative can make it this because we don't focus on any show that come from anyone who knew no and send up almost 7 feet and don't think any of make it this particular statement. I want to show this game. What I say, it is from then they until and who will be on the sea 2 of a year. Yet 2 of a year, and this error letter. I know there comes the vacant as a render public apology to the NDC or some was Romanda. Omra the show this be BSC at Omufanche, Omutinka say the show, Oma boycott, Omumraso, Conan, Omunamoa Bem. You need platform somewhere near my own back on WhatsApp. And as a platform, a big, we are named a bit like a WhatsApp to mother, yes, Ramada, Monsamra. And when Bagas almost showed this video, almost video. 80 later, it was alleged, said, and yet, Peace FM, despite media, as Sake, Kwame Sefa Kayi, and any person to Marco Coco show this video because of said, Kwame Sefa Kayi or Honor, humiliating or open, it almost over by a general say, and this Baba show to be then is a Kwame Sefa Kayi every horror. Other say this is a Kwame Sefa Kayi every horror. Emma, a BSC will be 80. Eba said Yasaki Kwame Sefa Kayi. Emma on the 7th of March 2025. Kwame Sefa Kayi because the Munya Democrat and Saki. He broke silent on that. But in your normal show to be. Then we say finally. And Kwame Sefa Kayi, Chairman General, Abba back to Peace FM. And by the Omoman, a very sweet welcome.
Yeah, man. Mira, yes, swear. Time check. It's 21 minutes past 7 o'clock in the morning of Monday, the 14th of July, in the year of our Lord 2025. Martin, you there? You there? It be like me to a day. Alpha. Kokroko live in your ear, Peace 104.3. Yes, indeed. The Chairman General is here. Kwame Sefa Kayi on Peace 1043. Anope. What's him at your own? Sir. Nyamiadum. Nyamiadum bikeke. Ya samba. Ya chiamusa. Sami start sami dasi amin dasi yeda. Inti diain en nyam kanyankopon. Mo am frey, mo am bompae. Adolfo bebre ebusia enianom nyame hira ye nyina da mo nyina ase adwumawura adwuma mpanyinfo minua no amnyom ye adwuma wa ha me start bubu dia wa ha na me yubi dia frim enti enase kwa na so le se mi ajo ebo eje frim enye yo majwa wano sawa nuwe nana ya kese odi an kan kwa me ebo a Mama Africa Mama Biama Team Kokroko Mausa Walker, Divimare. Maubunamo. And so thanks to all.
Peace FM.
I said, you get to Nibia and you can is walk over when you are banning it. A man or friend said, hey, Yaman now he. I see, me was sorry. No, it was I. You are sorry, me one pie and I owe hammy. Oh, yeah, sure, so I sorry. The same was sorry, won't you see a book by waiting? Oh, yeah, sure. For phone in my ears, mamma.
Na ye dia manako aba ye si waye ade nyum se se waye ade Kwame Sefa Kayi kukodufo waye ade eja waye ade di nyame beda wase waye ade ade ntini ye da na se waye ade na kroma se ensem keka nipa no sha se ba wo so a na wanti ntimo ensem wa ewo bi ne nim ya be ka fa ono ye si wa ko diska kwa ne ye di ye si adwan kwa ne wi ya ye si se wo ye kwa ni ye si se wo ye part we ni ensem bebre ense bebia nso ni nyina he wa mfa anya sem
aga na ense na kokoma enemafo ye ni abotre
da bi
asem ketwe bi na ni atwe na ne ya kire ye bodwe sade wosi atwen amampanifo atoto do mbatoto bia sa otwen na wonya ye no ya de wo se nemafo ye sua
ye futu sem
e de boye ho so
ya Monica sa wo di ama ye nyina no bia de betu no fo se asem ba e ya ato obo ase na nyankopon na fa ne kwantoto niema na niema to fom na empepre wo ho aye wa ya de oi wa ya de Sefa Kayi kugodu fo ya de o Sefa wa ya de o aye ya di nyame beda wasio wa ya de o yankwe wa ya de o Sefa Kayi kugodu fo ya de o Sefa wa ya de o aye ya di nyame beda wasio wa ya de o oye be ma ya de wo be ma oye be ma Sefa wo be ma oye be ma yes wo be ma oye be ma Jenna wo be ma oye be ma Kayi wo be ma ya do wo be ma oye be ya Jenna no wo be ma oye be ma ya fa go you ya go you oye be ma
Nana usu.
Everybody just say, "Miss Annie, share radio show."
Yeah, Daniel, I see.
And you know how they start here. You know, you go back breath. Say, we are going to find some say, "You may be obi we be nyane trust akeke." Na so mean center. Wako. Na say the wa kan. As na nkoma edwuma mu panfo. Wako mapa a o menya ma. Ene wadofo nyina say, "What's up kan you hu na ya feel papa na yempa bunya say one day it's a new encounter on radio they are ready to me who now drop one of your favorite songs I'm around
no ogbone ni abema nsu isio ogbone ni isio
so chairman mo akwaba
chairman say omo kan say oh yes we yi na dia si we giant say omo tro dey
me nim
na kesika ne dia de ka ho mo so we discuss
ya no back is no dey nya ya no but na me do say okay ti mu amoka so ya yi na di aduma no kra wajai me ne no kwa nka me mabi o ene dia no mo betro
ajo me nim na me albisa me
okay I say omo na me bisa omo mo Uti no so nyame ado bo ase na o connect ko sa na na ya office the cardinal wa ya de wo gina akona no akonwa bi ho abetire mu wo mse watere bi mu dade na nsense bi be baton na abetire afi wo ni anya den wantintim a na wo ya ye tititi na wo tie comment ni nsema nkofo ka to gina mu wa ya de etu ono so bra ye ni age so about see ye kanfo no ye me ma ye remfi no na ya kese wa ya de odi an kan so gina mu bi kanfo ye da se so waba no waba no so tena se na nsɛm ankɔfo aka no yɛ da ase se ma ɛmfa nto so na ma ne nyɛ hɔ
Yes, madam.
Yes, I'm about what boy I hear not to say. As some of Mama, yes.
Oh, yes,
Yes, your boy.
I'm the sweet, yes.
Oh, going.
Thank you, madam. Me buy to my bad. There is you. I see. You know.
I'm the first man of Pabia Jamo Hanover. Jamo Goya on the Jayo.
Send out my hand.
And I will call office once when you do one day. Miss, I'm two friends. Jam, what are you doing? Ah, media.
You got a I'm from
It's the king of all morning shows. Kwame Sefa Kayi. Chairman General, Papa Wabatunasi. Wasa Benjamin Asibim Ama. Wasa Benjamin Subi. Peace FM Subesiano. Obe boy my back to back boy my sweating. I cannot obey man. Obe Tacharajan Ama me. Ewo comment section. I have Penyah block me.